Here's a shooting tip that can improve your scores. Hi, I'm Doug Painter with the National Shooting Sports Foundation. You know, pro golfers, when they tee it up, don't just boom it somewhere down the fairway. They always pick a target, a distant tree, a bunker, and hit to that spot. You know, what the eyes visualize, the body tends to do. That's a great tip if you're a shotgunner. On a sporting clays course, for example, always watch the flight path of your target and pick a spot where you want to break that bird. For example, with crossing or quartering away targets, pick a spot where that bird is reaching its maximum height, but before it begins to tail away. Let's take a look. Pull. The same holds true with incoming targets. Don't wait too long, because when that bird loses speed, it'll drop like a stone. Pull. Once you've picked that spot, align your leading foot, that's the left foot for righties, in that direction. This gives you a nice central pivot point that allows you to swing easily from your hold point, accelerate through your break point, and follow through. So, pick a spot where you want to break a target and align yourself to it. Try this tip next weekend at a gun club near you. And if you're looking for a place to shoot, visit our website, wheretoshoot.org. And remember, firearm safety depends on you.